Hi YouTube, this is part 3 of my short series on French wooden handled knives. So you can see we've got the mystery knife here from TB, which was a supermarket bought knife. I've got the Opinel number 7 to compare it with. If you watch the other two videos, you'll see the full stats on it. So I'm not going to go through those here. I'll put them in the description so you can catch up with the detailed review. The individual reviews of each of these. So here we have the Opinel Classic. It's a little bit tight to open. It has a locking collar. This is the TB version, easier to open, slightly different locking collar. Just to be clear, they are slightly different sizes. You can see that the TB blade is slightly bigger and the handle is definitely larger on the TB. So just looking at them in profile, looking at the back, I think the TB on the left is slightly wider in the blade than the Opinel on the right. If we turn them to look at the blade, the other thing I would say is that they've done a better grind on the Opinel in that it comes up much thinner. So there's not much sharpening needed at the end, whereas for the TB, it's been ground less, so you can see the bevel as they've sharpened it. Both super sharp, both great slicers. The only thing I'd say about consistency of the sharpening is that, let's see if we can see it a bit closer, is that actually the TB blade on the left, I think, is much more consistent in that sharpening angle, very consistent along the whole blade. If I can catch it in the light here for the Opinel, it's not too bad on this side, although it starts to lose it in this part of the blade. On the back, it's not so good at all, and in fact there's still a burr, but my nail is catching on that. So I would say the quality of the Opinel is slightly less. The blade qualities, I think, are similar. They're both inox and both a similar shape as well, both clip points. The locking mechanisms, the Opinel one is more stiff. I think this is the original. I'm guessing that the TB one is a copy. I quite like the open nature of it. It's a little bit bigger. I think it's a little bit more loose, so there is possibly a chance that it could drop out. Both can lock in the closed position as well. So I don't know who came up with that first. Handle wise, I actually like the TB one more when it's open. It really fits in your hand better. I really like that. The Opinel, I've tried this a lot. I've carried it for a week, and it's okay, but it doesn't quite feel as comfortable in the hand as this one. So both similar prices, both between 10 and 20 euros. This one being a lot closer to 10. But if I was to pick one, even though it's not UK legal, both for locking and for blade length, I would go with the TB one. So let me know what you think in the comments. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing really lets me know if you like the channel. If you have subscribed already, then leave a comment. Let me know which you think is best. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If you haven't already, why not subscribe? It really helps me to know that I'm making the right sort of content. I've got loads more already. Why not check out this video or this playlist? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.